Hello everyone and welcome back. Now after we made some changes to the website, we set up our questions and answers, we've changed the colors. Now it's time to add AdSense code and Google Analytics to the site. Let's go back to our website. Do you see these rectangles here? This is where we're gonna push our AdSense ads. And if you notice, there is only rectangle ads. And the reason I use only rectangle ads because they generate the most click-through rates unlike others. I've tried skyscraper responsive ads. They do get clicks but not as the same amount as the rectangle ads. It's up to you. You can test different ads and see which one works the best for you. What's gonna work for you may not gonna work for me. So test different ad sizes and stick with the one that generates the most profit. We have one rectangle below the image, another one below the quiz description, and the last one below the quiz answers. So I'm here now on my Google AdSense dashboard. To get your ad code, click here where it says My Ads. Ads units. Click New Ad Unit. Text and display ads. Choose a name for your ad. And from this drop down button, select rectangle. Make sure the first rectangle is selected. Hit save and get code. Here is the code, copy it. Now we have to add it to our website. Go to your cPanel. File Manager. Public HTML. Right click on index.html. Edit. Click Edit once again. Click the search icon and search for the word AdSense. This is the first one. Now just replace the code between the center tags with your AdSense code. Just like this. The same thing for the second and the third ad. Click Save Changes and refresh the page. You should see your ads live and here we go. The ads are displayed, all the three of them. If your ads are not showing on your website, just wait a couple of minutes and refresh the page once again and it will work fine. Now if your ads not showing at all, even if you wait, then it might your site is not on the verified list on your AdSense account. And to verify it, go to your AdSense dashboard. Click Settings, My Sites, and click this plus button here to add your website. paste your site URL and hit Add Site. Wait a minute or two and refresh the page again. You should see your ads up and running. Now, after you place your ads on your site, it's time to add Google Analytics so you can keep an eye on your visitors. Google Analytics is a must-have tool if you want to track how your website is performing, how many visits you get a day, your website demographics. You can also see how many live visitors on your site right now and a lot of useful features. So go to analytics.google.com. They will ask you to log in using your Google account. Click Create Account if you don't have one. So after you log in successfully, it should take you to this page. Now we have to get our Google Analytics code. To do this, click where it says Admin here at the bottom. Click on the Create a New Account. Make sure website is selected. Type here your website name, Quiz 101. Your website URL and change it to HTTPS. Industry category, select art and entertainment. Your time zone. And click Get Tracking ID. Now copy the tracking ID and go back to your editor. Go to the top of the editor and you should see this comment line here where it says Google Analytics. And right after it, paste the tracking ID. Make sure to copy all of the code and you didn't miss anything. And finally, save changes and you're done. Keep in mind you have to wait at least 24 hours to see data on your Google Analytics dashboard. Now I want to say congratulations, the hard part is over. The website is ready to be promoted. Now we're gonna jump into the marketing part, where I'm gonna show you how to promote your website on WhatsApp groups, how to find groups to join, how to create your own WhatsApp groups, and have full control over your marketing efforts.